Hi, welcome to this video. So the year 2023 has been recorded as the hottest year ever recorded in the history. Now this has been confirmed by the World Meteorological Organization as well as NASA based on a range of observatories that calculate global average temperatures. Now of course the year 2023 has been one of the most eventful in terms of the extreme weather events, heat waves, sea level rise and so on. So we did see devastating wildfires in Canada that lasted for many months, and even the impacts of this was seen in the New York City actually. And we did also see record breaking heat all across Asia, where particularly in India there have been nearly 200 people died in the northern India. And Europe of course did see one of the hottest summers last year. We did also see massive wildfires and devastation in Hawaii, and there was also extreme weather events killing in most part of Africa, where 15,000 people were killed in many countries from Africa. This was also the same year where we saw rapid melting of the West Antarctic ice sheets last year. So let's just look at some of these record breaking temperature records. According to World Meteorological Organization's data, which is also based on prominent 6 data sets, here you can see which says that the year 2023 has been the hottest year ever recorded. So we have global mean temperature records from 8050s to 2023, and this is based on some of these data sets that the World Meteorological Organization considered and consolidated, and then say that the year 2023 has been the hottest ever recorded. Question is that what does it mean to say that 2023 was the hottest year ever recorded? Now of course that means different things to different people who live in different countries, in different temperature levels, in different climate and weather conditions. Of course this is to say that there is significant evidence globally to say that year after year or month after month the global average temperatures are skyrocketing. Now it will most probably the case that the year 2024, this year, will probably be breaking the records of the year 2023, given the ways in which how anthropogenic climate change is causing increase in global average temperatures. Now of course to speak about this, the most climate vulnerable countries that are island nations, countries in Asia, countries in Africa, countries in the South America, and also vulnerable people who live in most vulnerable regions, conditions in even in Europe and America, or Canada, Australia, New Zealand, so on, will also be the people who will be disproportionately impacted by increasing global average temperatures. Of course we have seen this, the ways in which how do people are dying in countries like many countries in Africa, in parts of Asia, in parts of South America. So of course though there have been positive signs of action at COP28, there has to be immediate actions and immediate global concerted efforts to reduce global average temperature. Otherwise we are already on our way to cross the global limits which was set by the historic Paris Agreement, which is 1.5 degree global average temperatures. And what we have now from most of the scientific evidences, from most of the studies, what we already know is that we are on very well on our way to cross the records of 1.5 degree global average temperatures. Hence, what is needed is concerted global actions from all across the world, and let's hope that some of those action uh, is led and are coming from or will come from countries, particularly from the global north, as well as the countries who have had historic higher emissions that caused anthropogenic climate change.